Okay, and the final one that we're going to go over today is some type of review app. We're looking at Loox Reviews right now. It's a great place to start. There's also other review apps like Yotpo, which is going to be a little more expensive but a little more versatile. And the idea behind reviews on your e-commerce platform is to add a level of social awareness and kind of social trust. When people go onto your website and they see that other people have purchased your product and rated that product well, it's going to give them a more comfortable sense of, one, purchasing from you, and two, that what they're buying is actually what they want. And so having several product reviews on each of your individual products on your e-commerce store is going to greatly increase the chance of new consumers purchasing that product as well. And the great thing about Loox is that you can have consumers take pictures of the product and send it to you, along with a star rating and a description of what they thought about the product. And you can display the reviews that you receive. You can moderate that. So the great thing about all these review apps is that if you get a bad review, you can choose whether or not to publish that on your site. Of course, I would recommend not leaving all 5-star reviews. You do want to have some level of authenticity. But there are going to be some of those just really unhappy customers that are going to say nasty things, and you don't want to publish that on your site. The great thing about most of these review apps is that they will they'll have parameters and settings that will allow you to send out an email to people asking them to review your product after a certain date. So let's see if we can find that real quick. Display. It's not here in the description. But anywhere from like a week after they purchase to 14 days to 21 days, depending on what kind of product you're selling, it will auto-generate a review email and send it to the consumer that already has your product and ask them to review the product and let them know that we're really interested in how you're enjoying your product. Give us a few minutes of your time and some feedback. We'd love to hear from you, kind of thing. And again, this is really great engagement for your consumers. And it's really great engagement to have on your website for new potential consumers.